Hey guys, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and right now I'm sewing a Father's Day inspired left chest logo using the Avancé 1501C. Now if you have an embroidery business, you're going to want to watch this full video because I'm going to show you a way that you can say yes to more jobs and do more than just the standard left chest logos. So what I'm going to be talking about today is sublimation printing. When you add a digital printer to your business, like the Sawgrass sublimation printers, you're able to do more. You can add on to just the traditional polos and monograms. You can do digital prints, full colors, and things you really just can't do with an embroidery machine. So what I want to do is take you through the steps on how sublimation printing works. So we're going to make a shirt with the Sawgrass SG1000 here to accompany our Father's Day Top Dad polo. The very first step is to print out our art using a special piece of sublimation paper. Next, we're going to get this transfer and place it on our shirt. And we are using a special 100% polyester shirt for this from Vapor Apparel, and you can find these on colemanandcompany.com. Next, we'll press. Then when time is up, all we have to do is remove our transfer, and this shirt is complete. So there's a couple of reasons why I really love the combination of an Avancé embroidery machine and a sublimation printer. First is because of the workflow. So embroidery is a set it and a forget it kind of thing. While your shirt or hat is sewing out, you can be over here making custom shirts with a sublimation printer. The second reason is because sublimation printers are really affordable. Something like the SG1000 Sawgrass Sublimation printer is only about $600. So if you watched this video and you know nothing about embroidery and want to learn more about the Avancé embroidery machines, visit avancé-emb.com and you can learn all there is to know and watch videos of full demonstrations on how embroidery works. If you're already an embroiderer and you want to learn more about sublimation, go ahead and visit colemanandcompany.com and you can find all the products that we use and even live chat with a pro that can help you out. And as a bonus, because you finished watching to the end of this video, I'm going to tell you where you can get this art and digitized design for free. If you head over to colemanandcompany.com, click on the Learn tab and use the search bar, type in free art, and you will see Father's Day art that's ready for you that you can use for your business. Thanks for watching.